What is good, YouTube? It's your boy YouseeCam back with another video, man. Hey, man, today's video, bro, we got the loud straight pipe RT, and we are in nice neighborhoods, bro. Look at the houses. This is real deal motivation, though. Like, it's so much motivation. But guess what? Come on. Oh, fuck. Sorry, nice neighborhood, but it's time to make some noise in this motherfucker. Woo! I do not belong here. I know. My black ass do not belong in the rich white folk neighborhood, okay? But one day, I'm gonna be like them. One day. Just give me some time. Hey, we're gonna look at all the houses while we here. Fuck it. Let's look at all these goddamn mansions. Look at that shit. What the fuck? I want me a gated community? This is how I feel. Hold on, let me show you how I feel about that. Ooh. I didn't get my brakes fixed ASAP, bro. No kids at 8. I'm tired of these goddamn squeaky ass shit, but I keep getting, every time I change my brake pads though, this shit just keep getting louder and louder. Like, what the fuck? I change my brake pads, this shit don't even do shit for real. But anyways, YouTube, y'all boy, just like, comment, subscribe in the video, man. We hopping straight to it, man. No, I ain't even finna cut this shit. We raw footage in that mother trucker. We raw footage, you hear me? Come on. Hey, look though. Hey, this another, fuck. Shit, man, I gotta, try this again. Alright, YouTube. Hey, look though, like I was saying, bro, I really use this video as motivation as well, cause like, bro, like, just look at the houses, bro. One day I want to be in one of these big stinking ass houses. My bad, big, clean, nice, smell good ass houses, bro. Like, one day, look at that shit. Look at that big ass reindeer and shit. Like, that's motivation. I want to do that one day. Like, bro, this is gonna be a great video, bro. I hope y'all boys like, comment, subscribe in the video, man, for real. Alright, YouTube, we back. Alright, bro, I just want to say, bro, this is some motivation, but I swear, boy. I swear, boy. Hold on. Just make a little, just a little some light noise, man. Just some little light noise, man. I want to show y'all this house to the right, bro. This bitch is huge, bro. This bitch is humongous sword. This is the big ass house I'm talking about to my right, bro. Look at that big bitch. What the fuck? That bitch is huge, bro. What the fuck? Nah, that shit's crazy. Like, these are some nice ass cribs and neighborhoods, bro, that I should not be in right now. But you know how I feel about it though, do y'all? Y'all really want to know how I feel about it? Hey, let me show y'all. Shit. Shitty shit. Sorry. Hey, no cap though. That shit is nice though, man. This shit is nice over here. One day we gonna be here, YouTube. My ignorant black ass. Oh my God, look at that bitch. My ignorant black ass, you feel me? Shit. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Just making a little noise. I'm a little jealous. Y'all got big stinking ass houses and I don't. That's all. Just a black boy jealous. You feel me? Just making a little noise. Y'all need to wake up. Y'all need to come out the house and show me how to get rich like y'all. Like, cause what the fuck? How the fuck do you get this big ass house? Yes, I am jealous. What the fuck? Look at that. Man, your entrance bigger than my motherfucking house, nigga. How the fuck your entrance is bigger than my house I currently live in? How the fuck does that work, man? Ooh, wee. But yeah, man. That shit crazy though, bro. This shit is very crazy, actually. Look at all these goddamn houses, though, bro. Like, this shit crazy, bro. How do niggas afford this shit? Like, I know, obviously, you gotta have money, Cam. Duh, your stupid ass. But look, though, when I get that shit, bro, it's gonna be up, boy. I promise you, boy. It's gonna be up. Wake up. Santa's in town. Ooh, that shit hard. I like that little decoration they got going. No cap, bro. But yeah, man, it's gonna be up for sure, bro. I can't wait till the day I get money on. I'm gonna buy me a little housey house. I'm gonna be like, man, if it weren't for y'all, look how far I came. If it weren't for y'all, like, I'm really manifesting that shit, bro. No cap. There's no cap. Woo. This motherfucker get the booty. This shit get the booty, nigga. What is you talking about? Nah, these folks got some nice ass cribs though. Oh, this is the most decorated house ever. Nah, that's geek. Ooh, shit. Damn. But nah, did y'all see that fucker? That motherfucking house was nice, bro. Like, this some real white folk shit right here. Riding bikes and shit. Hey, I'm just talking, bro. I used to ride bikes when I was in the bricks, when I used to live in them bricks, boy. But with the mopeds on the back, boy. But if you know, you know, boy. But look at that house, bro. Look how steep that bitch is. What the fuck? You gotta go up that big ass. Nah, that's crazy. I hate to live there. I don't like living in, if I get a house, I don't want to have to live on no weekend, no long ass hill, and I gotta drive up that bitch. Like, nah, I don't see how niggas do that shit, bro. I don't see how niggas do that shit, boy. But it's a nice little neighborhood on YouTube, man. Y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Y'all can get some houses like this. You feel me? Or y'all can goddamn make some noise like this. Shit, do something. Y'all can either make some noise like that or get a big ass house like that. Or you can do both. Fuck it, you feel me? Do both, man. I'm motivated. This is a motivational video too, bro. No cap. Oh shit. Them boys scaring me. I was gonna follow them, but I was like, nah. They don't want to cut up with a real nigga like me. Oh, lamb chop, lamb chop, lamb chop. Yeah. You lamb chop. Yeah. Lamb chop. That's a lamb. That's a lamb, mommy. And that's a mansion, mommy. And what you get out of that? Oh, shit. What the fuck is going on? This shit is crazy, bro. Nah, this is a... Hey, I don't give a fuck how good or well this video goes, YouTube. This really a video for me, bruh. Cause like, damn, these cribs are crazy. And I just see a lamb chop. Y'all know Urus is my dream car, so we gonna get that hoe one day. Just, hold on. Damn. Nah, that Urus is crazy though, bruh. Fuck. I mean, not Urus. That lamb, I don't know what it is. Hurricane? I don't know, but that bitch is crazy. No cap, bruh. Damn, I'm supposed to turn? Damn, I'm supposed to turn, YouTube. Hold on. I need to goddamn make a U-turn, bro. I need to make a U-turn, buddy. I need to make a U-turn. We'll do it later. But nah, YouTube, this is a great little video, man, for me, myself. For real, bro. I just hope that I achieve my dreams with this video, man. But not with this video, but like, you know, just seeing the big houses and shit like that. Like, you know, type shit. Nah, this shit crazy. I should not be here. Hey, I should not be here, bro. This shit is amazing. It just feels good just to drive by it. Damn, I feel rich just driving by that bitch. Hold on. Holy shit. Hey, that bitch pulled the fuck out of me. You calm down, RT. You calm the fuck down. Damn, these houses are nice though, YouTube. What the fuck? Hey. Oh, look at the little white chair. Look at the little white chair. Hey, man, what you doing, buddy? Oh, shit. Let me get the fuck out of these white folk neighborhood before they call police. Hey, this shit crazy, though, bro. Don't care, gang. I really fuck with this goddamn video, man, for real. I hope y'all like this video as much as I do, man, for real, bro. This is a crazy little video, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but every house I see you just damn. You feel me? Like, damn, cuz. One day, just one day, man. Just one goddamn day, cousin. Just one goddamn day, man. Look at these. Hey, man, I don't mean to scare nobody, man. I don't mean no harm, man. Hey, man. The neighborhood watch. Ooh wee. They are watching my stinking ass. Come on. Damn, most speed bumps, YouTube. God damn it. Hey, man, this video just all over the place, man. No cap, bro. Damn. Shit. Hey, for the rich folks out there, like, how y'all boys do that shit, man? If anybody know anybody rich, can y'all tell them to come my way? Because I'm trying to be like them. No cap, bro. No kids at 8A. I'm trying to be like them when I grow up. I don't even know where the hell I'm at right now, man. But look, though, YouTube, I hope y'all boys enjoyed that video, man, as much as I did, man. I ain't gonna cap, bro. That was very motivational, bro. And I might have to do another video like that again, bro. I really enjoyed that video. So, hope y'all boys like that video, man. Hope y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, though, man. No cap. And look, bro, more videos on the way, man. 2025, 2026, man. We grinding, man. You know me. So, look, man. Y'all boys just, look, bro, before I leave, bro, I want to tell y'all boys, man, look, anything y'all want to do out there, bro, y'all should do that shit, bro. You feel me? Put your foot down and go get that motherfucker. You feel me? If you want that house, go get that house. How I'm going to get that house? Look what you like to do, twin. I don't know, Cam. What do I like to do? Man, find what you like to do and stop all that damn playing. And go find what you like to do and do that shit and pursue that shit. Fuck is you talking about, man? Alright, bro. Let me stop playing with y'all, but I love y'all though, man. It's your boy YouseeCam. Whew. This traffic out here be like cray-cray. And I'll see y'all boys in the next video, man. I love y'all.
I've been grinding so long, so long, so long. And I'm still right here holding on.